That guy over there is living his best life. Just chilling, appreciating the views. Alright, this morning we are riding on a hot air balloon over Teotihuacan. Woo! We're off the ground. Definitely worth waking up at 5 AM for this. Check it out, guys. This is what I'm looking at. Sun rising just now, just in time, right over the pyramids. So totally different being up here on the balloons this time. Last time I saw hot air balloons, I was on the ground on a temple in Bagan in Burma, flying mad. Gotta say though, this is equally as impressive and equally as exciting. So there, guys, is Pyramid of the Sun and Pyramid of the Moon over there. I could definitely see how romantic this kind of thing is and why people do a lot of proposals on hot air balloons, but I'm just here on my own, chilling, living my best life.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
So right now we're just literally above both pyramids. Pyramid of the Sun, no, it's Pyramid of the Moon, and the bigger one is just on this side. Pyramid of the Sun over there. So we're just floating around here, and then I think we'll be going back down soon, and then after we've got a whole day around the pyramids. Alright, so we are finally back on the ground, and today I'm doing like the hot air balloon tour. So that included the hot air balloon this morning. When we landed, we even got a toast, and then we went to this restaurant, had a buffet breakfast there, so I'm all full now. And then also includes tickets to Teotihuacan. So I'm here now, and behind me is a Pyramid of the Sun. So on the hot air balloon, this was the biggest pyramid that I saw. And then if we go around, there's already people up there. We're gonna go climb this thing. So we just made our way to the other side of the pyramid where you can climb up. And man, my knee's still busted from Orizaba like 4 or 5 days ago. Every day just gets sore, and it's just a struggle going up these stairs. I don't know what's wrong with the day. It's just age kicking in. That guy over there is living his best life. Just chilling, appreciating the views. Alright, made it to the top, kind of. Just a little bit of a platform to go. But for the big pyramid, the Sun Pyramid, you have to go up all those flights of steep stairs. Oh, my knees. So it is a little bit warmer here than Mexico City. And I did read that it gets really hot, so bring your water, which I've got in my bag, and your sunscreen. I don't really need sunscreen, I'm already black anyway. But yeah, it's actually not that hot today. With all the cold weather I've been having in Mexico and Orizaba, it's actually pretty nice and a very refreshing change. Kind of miss the warm sun. Can't wait to get to Cancun, that's for sure. Here we are. Obviously, if you want to avoid the crowd, you got to get here early, be one of the first. 9 o'clock is when it opens. That would be the ideal time. Here's a few interesting facts for you guys. So one of the great mysteries about Teotihuacan civilization was that once upon a time 150,000 people lived here, and to this day no one knows where they disappeared to. Now the other great mysteries of Teotihuacan is that archaeologists found large quantities of mica, and mica is a mineral found 3,000 miles away in Brazil, so who knows how it got here. The Teotihuacan also means city of gods, but it could also be translated to the place where men became gods. It's a very interesting concept there. So this long walkway that connects the Moon Pyramid all the way to the Sun Pyramid is called Avenue of the Dead. Now they say that the distance between these two pyramids reflect the exact orbit of the planet. Whew, that was pretty steep stairs, check that out. I haven't done squats in a while. So right now I've made my way across from the Sun Pyramid to the Moon Pyramid. Well, I think that's enough David Attenborough for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this morning with the hot air balloon and a quick tour around here. I only had 2 hours, which I think is a little bit fast. To do it properly, to read the signs and just to take your time throughout the whole thing, I recommend 3 to 4 hours. But yeah, if you're really pressed for time, then you can do it as fast as I did. Alright, time to head back now. Merry Christmas. So a lot of time has passed and it's actually pretty late now, 10 o'clock in the evening. Omar and his mom were nice enough to invite me back at their place, so I'm having Christmas dinner with them right now. So there's Omar again, and this is Omar's lovely mom.
Thank you. Hi.
And what was your name again? Sorry, I never.
Mariana.
Mariana, yes. And thank you for the delicious food for this evening.
You're more than welcome.
And look what we've got. The salad there. A few pastries with cheese, more delicious cheese, loading up on cheese, biscuits, and we've got lasagna in there, and I just finished my soup. Look at Omar's food as well, he's not slowing down. I probably can't even finish that.
You're gonna have to try.
Sorry?
You're gonna show the chicken later.
Oh yes, of course, I'm gonna show them all the food.
And your the sauce that it's gonna have over it.
Oh, that's right, your gravy, yes.
Yeah, the gravy.
The spinach, the red gravy.
Yeah,
yes, we still have a bit to go. Alright, time for the main course. Check this out. So, we have chicken with the special gravy sauce.
Adobo.
Adobo? Mm-hmm. Oh, you call this adobo? Mm-hmm. And then smashed spinach.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta slow down because I'm so full at the moment, but I can still eat. I'll finish everything, and Omar and I are determined to get to the cake. Alright, we're on the final stretch now. It's time for dessert, and check this cake out. That is a huge cake.
It's really good. Really, really good.
His piece was like 3 times the size of mine. I could only do a skinny piece, so I'm so full. But that was a delicious dessert. Pretty much like a vanilla slice, right?
Yeah.
So good way to finish a big meal. I'm so full, and thank you again for the dinner. It was delicious. I think we'll smash the rest of this dessert, and that'll do me for the night. Remember, tonight's my last night in Mexico City, and tomorrow I actually fly out to a different city, Los Mochis, for the next leg of my trip. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at the airport. Have a good night.